Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mommy, and if you have a Star Wars fan in your house, you are going to love this simple DIY Star Wars party I'm sharing today. To make the invitation, I took a picture of my birthday boy with his arm extended making a fist. Then I took an X-Acto knife, cut a slit above his fist and below, and inserted a bracelet glow stick from the dollar store with a little bit of electrical tape at the bottom. How cute is this? To set the tone for the event and let the guests know what to expect, I made a few signs using dollar store supplies. I put a Jedi Training Academy sign at the door, I framed a schedule of party activities, and I drew a large R2-D2 for guests to get their photos taken with. I always like to have an activity for party guests to do while waiting for everyone to arrive. So for this party, I made security badges for the guests to color and wear during the party. Simple and fun. We played freeze dance to songs from Star Wars, and then the little Jedi trainees had a little snack. We had tasty treats including Star Wars cookies and cake. For the cake, I made a simple rectangle cake and added some clean new toys to the top. The toys went to the birthday boy, and he was thrilled. Then the kids had some lightsaber training. I wanted the kids to be able to have their own lightsabers to play with at the party and to take home after. So I made a bunch from dollar store pool noodles. I cut the pool noodles in half and used silver duct tape to cover the bottoms. Then I used black electrical tape and red dot stickers to embellish. They were a big hit and they were easy and inexpensive to make. At the end of the party, the kids were given their final test. They had to use their lightsabers to destroy the Death Star piñata I made. I used a glue-based paper mache mixture to cover a balloon. Then I used duct tape to attach a hanger, busted the balloon, cut a hole near the top, filled it with candy, and covered the hole with electrical tape. I painted the whole thing gray and added a circle of electrical tape around the middle. Then the kids took turns whacking at it and trying to bust it open. After all the Jedi training was complete, all the kids were awarded graduation certificates and given cupcake party favors. I made the cupcakes, inserted plastic Star Wars rings that I bought from Amazon, and packaged them up with a thank you note. The kids loved them. I hope you like all these budget-friendly Star Wars party ideas. I really do believe that unique details are the key to making a celebration memorable. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. See you next time. Bye!